The SpaceMouse features a cutting-edge 3D controller cap offering fast and precise navigation. This multi-axis navigation gives you full control over your designs, so you can create better products faster. Understand complex prototypes easily and iterate quicker through intuitive navigation. Check your designs from different perspectives with help of quick view buttons. The keyboard modifiers reduce hand movement to the keyboard for more efficiency and comfort. With the programmable function buttons, you can instantly access Creo commands. Speed up product development by customizing these buttons with your favorite commands. The programmable buttons will keep adapting to your environment as you work. Discover the SpaceMouse product line now.